Do here is remove 5 corrugations worth of jacket. Not quite 5, so I need a little more torque. Alright, get back on it. There we go. Imagine doing that with your hands. Alright, looks nice. Big honking pin right here is going to push that rubber ball deeper into the cable. Alright, are we ready?
Better.
Here we go. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful?
Ain't it purty?
No, it's not, because it's still sticking out over here. We need to hit it some more.
Okay, I'll give you that. That means I didn't hold it straight. Alright. See, there's some fuzz from the...
Does it matter if you go...
That's not a lint-free cloth.
Does it matter if you go clockwise or counterclockwise?
Well, yes, that orients the ions of the grease.
Okay.
We're going to do the second one on
so
the...
you do it.
Well, we're going to do it in the shack.
Well, are we
One
doing
half
it, or is the
clockwise
tower
and
people
one
doing it?
half-
And we are. This is the antenna side that he's doing.
Right. So the
This is the
shack
The next
side...
end. The next end will be.
We're going to do this again
I'm gonna-
inside the
I'm gonna do-
shelter, or...
And do you have an
gonna
decent
do the
table to
next
work on?
No.
Hello, Miss Anderson. How are you? Good. You have a wonderful weekend.
You had one job to do.